Hello and welcome to our channel. Once in a small, quiet village nestled among rolling hills, lived a young boy named Liam. Liam had big dreams that seemed unreachable in his humble surroundings. He dreamt of becoming a great musician, traveling the world, and sharing his melodies with people from all walks of life. But the weight of doubt hung heavy on his shoulders, as others often told him that his dreams were too far-fetched. Undeterred, Liam decided to embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. He knew that to turn his dreams into reality, he needed to build his skills and confidence. So, he spent every spare moment practicing his music, honing his craft, and pushing his boundaries. He played on street corners, in parks, and even at local events, pouring his heart and soul into every note. One day, a renowned music producer passed through Liam's village, drawn by the hauntingly beautiful melodies that emanated from the young musician's guitar. Impressed by Liam's raw talent and determination, the producer offered him a chance to record his music professionally. It was a dream come true for Liam, a pivotal moment in his journey. As the years passed, Liam's music transcended borders and touched the hearts of people around the world. His melodies carried messages of hope, resilience, and the power of following one's dreams. He traveled to distant lands, performing in grand concert halls, and even the humblest of villages, just as he had once done. But what set Liam apart was not just his music, it was the unwavering belief he had in himself and his dreams. He never let doubt or adversity deter him, and he used every setback as a stepping stone to greater heights. He knew that the path to success was rarely easy, but it was always worth the effort. Liam's story serves as a timeless reminder that no dream is too ambitious, no goal too distant, and no obstacle too daunting when one believes in themselves and is willing to work tirelessly to achieve their aspirations. So, let his journey inspire you to chase your dreams with unwavering determination, for in the pursuit of greatness, you may find your own melody of success echoing through the hearts of those you touch.